ShipHero Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to ShipHero and related resources are provided in the description below. ShipHero is a robust fulfillment and warehouse management solution aimed at e-commerce businesses and dropshippers seeking efficient shipping processes, real-time inventory updates, and centralized order management. Designed to help store owners optimize their fulfillment operations, ShipHero integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it especially appealing for those managing multiple channels or SKUs. One of its standout features is the intuitive dashboard, where merchants can monitor inventory levels, track shipments, and oversee multiple warehouses in real time. This is crucial for dropshippers who rely on accurate stock data to prevent overselling or back orders. Additionally, ShipHero provides advanced automation rules, like assigning orders to specific warehouses or shipping methods, reducing manual tasks and freeing up valuable time. Another benefit is the built-in returns management, which helps streamline the often tedious RMA process by allowing customers to initiate returns through a portal and updating stock levels automatically upon receipt of returned goods. From a strengths perspective, ShipHero's multi-warehouse approach can significantly lower shipping costs and speed up delivery, particularly for merchants targeting customers spread across different regions. The system's flexibility lets you store inventory in strategically located fulfillment centers, thereby minimizing transit times. The platform's robust analytics also provide insights into order history, shipping performance, and cost breakdowns, enabling merchants to make data-driven decisions. Customer support is often praised for its responsiveness, aiding users in implementing and customizing the platform's more advanced functionalities. However, ShipHero does come with some weaknesses. Smaller operations or those with minimal order volume may find the platform's pricing steep relative to their margins. Additionally, the onboarding process can be time-consuming for new users who are unfamiliar with multi-warehouse setups or advanced automation rules. Some merchants report a learning curve when configuring automations or integrating with niche shopping carts. Despite these drawbacks, ShipHero remains a compelling choice for mid-sized to larger dropshippers or e-commerce stores seeking a feature-rich, automated fulfillment solution. Its real-time inventory capabilities, multi-warehouse support, and analytics-driven insights can lead to faster deliveries, reduced costs, and better overall customer satisfaction, assuming your order volume and margins justify the cost and complexity.